are their counter-depth options for French door refrigerators. Imagine a kitchen where your refrigerator blends seamlessly with your cabinets, creating a sleek, modern look. That's what counter-depth refrigerators aim to do. These models are designed to sit almost flush with your kitchen counters, usually measuring between 24 and 30 inches deep. This makes them less bulky and more integrated into your space, giving your kitchen a clean and cluttered appearance. French door refrigerators are popular for their two doors on top and a freezer drawer below. They make it easy to access fresh food and keep frozen items organized. Now, if you want this style but also want a refrigerator that doesn't stick out too far, you'll be happy to know that counter-depth options are available for French door models. These are specially built to match the depth of standard kitchen counters, which are typically around 24 inches deep. Counter-depth French door refrigerators are perfect for kitchens with limited space or for those who want a streamlined look. They still offer plenty of storage, including features like automatic ice makers, water dispensers, and adjustable shelves. Some models even have larger capacities or extra features like flexible temperature drawers, making them suitable for bigger families or households that need more storage. When choosing one, keep in mind that these models tend to be a bit more expensive than standard depth refrigerators. Prices usually range from around $2,500 to over $5,000, depending on the brand and features. The installation process can take a few hours, and it's best to have a professional handle it to ensure proper fit and connection. In terms of style, counter-depth French door refrigerators come in various colors and finishes, such as stainless steel, black stainless, or white. Many models also include smart features like touchscreens, Wi-Fi connectivity, and energy-efficient operation. These features help you monitor and control your refrigerator remotely, saving energy and making your life easier. Overall, if you want a French door refrigerator that fits neatly into your kitchen without sticking out, a counter-depth model is a great choice. They combine style and function, giving your kitchen a modern look while still providing ample storage space. Just remember to measure your space carefully and compare features to find the best fit for your needs.